The accused is sentenced to 10 years imprisonment, of which 3 years imprisonment is suspended for 5 years.
The first big break in the VBS Mutual Bank scandal. Philip Truter, who pleaded guilty to charges of fraud, corruption, money laundering and racketeering, was trialled separately from his 7 co-accused who faced similar charges. Truter was complicit in what has been dubbed as the biggest bank robbery in the country. The former CFO turned a blind eye to the bank's illegal activities and also received a kickback of over 5 million rand. The heist affected the poorest of the poor. Most of the bank's clients invested their savings through the bank. The court heard that Truter will turn state witness, and the NPA encourages those who are involved in such crimes to do the same.
It's always a breakthrough when one of the accused turns state witness. We must remember the state and investigators are never there when these schemes take place. So every time you get someone from inside who's willing to testify on behalf of the state, it advances the state's case. It makes it much stronger. And therefore, when they appear tomorrow, one of them will be now assisting the state in order for them to be convicted.
Ngwema says more investigations and arrests will follow. With a key witness such as Truter, the NPA says they are more ready than ever.
There are a number of legs with regards to this investigation, and this is one part of, or one leg of the entire big investigation. It's a long journey, but yes, I am aware of the fact that there are major developments in other legs, and we should be looking at action very soon with regards to those legs. We are more ready than we were before because one of them has joined us, and that means if they cooperate with us, we are able to reinforce whatever we had against them with regards to leading evidence. So we are more ready than we were before.
The Hawks say they hope this conviction will ignite some faith and optimism from the public.
When the cases are ready, they will be taken to court. But I think we must also give space, to the prosecutors as well, because these are the people who would actually decide on when a case must go to court. Most of the cases have been completed, but we're just waiting for them to actually indicate when we can take suspects to court. So people must not lose hope. We have said that we must never lose hope. We have been working very closely with everybody concerned, and I'm sure that what they have witnessed recently is something that they should be getting used to.
Truter effectively serves 7 years imprisonment. After months of speculation around the so-called Great Bank heist, a conviction has been welcomed, but 7 more suspects are expected to make their appearance at this court to get their trial date on the case. Nasipho Mncube, SABC News, Palm Ridge Magistrates Court.